Hi, I'm Hayley Robertson. I'm a marketing consultant and business coach based in Melbourne, and I decided to take Kate Toon's Recipe for SEO Success course recently because I was having some really funny technical things happening on my website, and I was wasting way too much time trying to fix them myself. It was during one of these times where I was getting really frustrated and couldn't work out why my Google ranking was looking weird that I received Kate's email that said her course was open, and I just decided right there and then I needed to stop wasting time mucking around in WordPress and just enroll in the course and learn how to do this stuff properly. I'm one of these people that I don't want to spend a lot of money with a web developer fixing things that I know are not that hard and I could probably do myself, but I needed to learn it. So if you're sitting there thinking, I'm not good at tech, this is the course you need to do because it will teach you how to get good at the tech for your website. The other great thing about the course is that Kate guides you and coaches you all the way through the course. She provides reviews. She will give you direct feedback on exactly how to make your website better. And if you're looking for someone that's going to push you to help you get that extra 10 or 15% and make things better and generate more leads for your website, then Kate's the coach that can help you to do that. So if you're sitting there thinking, oh my God, it's a lot of money, think about how many leads you might need to generate to make that money back. It's probably not that many, particularly if you're a service-based business. You need to have your website working properly if you're going to have a successful business. And if you want to learn how to do it yourself, the Recipe for SEO Success is the course that's going to help you to do that.